Scott, Nikki, and I understand that a number of you have had some questions about how to respond to the Sing Unburied Sing book discussion questions, and so I thought I would create a quick screencast just giving you some very brief directions. What you can see here in front of you right now is one of the English for Enriched classes. This one happens to be 3 odd. I'm up in the stream menu. You're going to need to go to chapter 1, which you can get to via either the stream or via the classwork page. Once you pull up chapter 1, you're going to find, and I'm going to have to jump to a different screen now because as the instructor on this particular Google Classroom page, mine looks a little bit different than yours. But if you pull up this post, what you'll see, and I'm going to jump over now to a Google Classroom page for a course, a professional development course that I took a couple years ago. And what you should be looking for is the appropriate post, right? So in our case, that's going to be chapter 1. I'm pulling up week 5 because this happened to be a week that there were no assignments due, so everything is blank. So what you'll see is over on the left-hand side, underneath chapter 1, you're going to see the questions that I have posted. So the requirements for this particular assignment are that you reply, or rather you respond to two questions posted. You're free to create your own response as well with your own question, and then you reply to 2 of your peers. And so here's how this works. You will type in, and I'm just going to do a quick test here, and you'll type in your response. And then once you do that, you'll notice that you have something turned in up here, and it allows you also to see at that point your classmates' answers to those questions. And I'm jumping to a different one, will look something more like this. So notice here, I have answered a couple questions here, and then if I jump to classmate answers, that brings me up to the other students in the class who have posted responses already. And if I want to reply, what I can look at are, first of all, what your peers have written and find something that I feel I have an adequate response to, but also I can take a look to see who hasn't. There are no responses for this person yet, right? So obviously if a particular post already has a number of replies, then I recommend choosing one that has fewer replies and then clicking on the reply button, and then that allows you to leave your reply. I hope you find this helpful, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'm checking Remind, I'm checking Google Classroom, I am checking my email, and if that's not sufficient, we will come up with a plan B. I hope you're all staying safe and self-contained, and I miss you very much.